Hey guys, it's Abby with Smartass Sass, and I am here to show you what was in the October subscription. So this month's theme was like totally retro. So it was a throwback to all things 80s, 90s, early 2000s, everything we grew up with that helped us become super sassy. So every month you're gonna get an insert that looks like this. It shows you everything that you're getting, where it came from, how you can get more of it, and then it's also gonna tell you next month's theme. So next month is In Your Dreams. All right, so let's dig in. October, the first thing that I want to show you guys is a Sharpie. So subscribers love it when we do Sharpies. I think we've done 3 or 4 at this point, and we thought it was time for another one. So it says, "Oh my God, Becky, look at her butt." And the color is called Intergalactic Indigo. So it's kind of a purpley blue. So there's that. And it does have the saying on both sides. All right, next up, this was this month's spoiler item. So we have this necklace, and it's from Foxy Originals, and it is a bar necklace. It says whatever on it, and it's also filled in there. This necklace is 16 inches long, so it's kind of a choker style, but it also has a 2-inch extender, so you can make it a little bit longer, kind of customize it for your neck. And they made this cute backer card for us that has the definition of whatever down here. It's so cute. So there's that. All right, next up, subscribers have been asking for an air freshener, and so we did one. So this air freshener is for your car, or I guess wherever you want to use it, but it is a little cassette tape, and it says Spice Up Your Life. It smells like cinnamon, so that kind of inspired the whole design. But Spice Up Your Life, and it's 2 different colors on the outside, but it says, if you want to be my car scent, you gotta smell fresh as fuck, and it smells like cinnamon and girl power. So everyone will get one of those. All right, next up is a pouch. So it says, no diggity, I gotta bag it up. We couldn't resist some kind of bag pun. But this guy is a nice like heathery fabric, and then on the other side it has a little viewer window, which I like, and a zipper so that I can kind of see what I'm reaching for. Okay, next up, we did a couple of stadium cups. So every subscriber is gonna get both of these, every box subscriber or big box subscriber. So the pink one says, so don't just stand there, and the green one says, bust a move. Love it, and it says it on both sides, of course. So I believe these are 16 ounces, so you get both of these, you get a full set. All right, so next is a dishcloth, and this is from Boldface. So it's a Swedish style dishcloth. So it's that like fiber, I don't know how to describe it. It starts out a little stiff, and then you get it wet and it cleans. But it says clean me baby one more time, and it's this pretty bright orange color. And these also come with instructions and stuff. I mean, they're not hard to use, but there's that. All right, next up, I already took these out of the package, but we wanted to get as many song lyrics in this box as we could. So we made some Mixtape Magnets, is what we called them, but they are word magnets for your fridge or your filing cabinet at work, wherever. So I haven't broken mine apart yet, but you'll get the idea. So here, let me show you some of these. So we've got like, baby got back, this is how we do it, 99 problems. I mean, I saw the sign. I was like singing them the whole time that we were making these. All right, next up is a product from Frankie and Myrrh. So we love working with them. Everything they make smells amazing. And this month we did a little essential oil roller ball. So it's called Hottie by Nature. So here you go. So that's what it looks like. But it smells so amazing. It has a little like fruity, I'm terrible with smells, but it smells amazing. Hottie by Nature. And Frankie and Myrrh made a custom sticker for subscribers. Like amazing, Saved by the Smell. So everyone gets one of these too. And then last item in the box, every month we do a collectible item, and so we've been doing sticky notes for the last 6 months. This is the 6th design. So this month it says, my brain is 90% song lyrics, and it has like a retro pattern around the edges. So these are Post-it brand notes, and it's a 50 sheet pack. Next month, we are switching it up to a new collectible item. It's a surprise. So every subscriber gets these though. So whether you get the box or just the shirt or the big box, everybody gets this collectible item. So that was everything that was in the box. Now I want to show you guys the shirt from this month. So we had to keep it colorful, and we did this. It says "Talk to the Hand," and it is like a Heather True Royal, I think is what the color is called, and the print is yellow, orange, and pink. Talk to the hand. All right, and then the last thing I want to show you is this month's add-on item. So every month, subscribers can choose to add on a special item that we have. You get it at a discount, you don't have to pay additional shipping, and then it just ships with your subscription. So this month, we did a hat, and it says, "Too legit to quit." I'm obsessed. I wear mine every day, no joke. So it's like a relaxed fit. It doesn't have that, you know, hard cardboard piece on the inside. It is a black chino cotton, I believe. And the phrase is embroidered on there, so "Too legit to quit." And then the other thing I love about it is instead of doing Velcro, which always gets caught in my hair, we did this little buckle that just slides when you want to adjust it. So, "Too legit to quit." So we have some of all of this stuff available. You can get a hat, you can get a box, you can get a shirt. You can also subscribe for November, which again is the theme is "In Your Dreams." So I'll post all those links. Thanks, guys.